Hi, welcome to Crafty Little Things. Thanks for joining me today. My name's Andrea and you should be here for Afternoon Delight number 7, which is the final really quick and simple card making tutorial in a series of 7. These have been released at 2 p.m. every afternoon UK time. The idea is sit down with a cup of tea, a cup of coffee, whatever, grab yourself 5 minutes away from whatever you're doing and just watch a really quick and simple card tutorial. So we're starting off with an 8x6 as usual, so it's 20.3 centimetre by 15.2 centimetre and it's folded in the middle at 4 inches, which is 10.2 centimetres. And then as you saw, I just burnished that score line. And then this one's using, oh, I knew I'd forget the name of it. This one is using a paper called Tropical Escape. I was going to say Totally Tropical, but that's who sang We're Going to Barbados in the 70s. Yeah, so this is called Tropical Escape, this DSP, and it's gorgeous, and that's what I'm using. So this is mint macaron card base. You can use any sort of minty green cardstock. And then I've got a Whisper White layer, which measures 5 7/8 by 3 7/8, so that's 14.9 centimetres by 9.8 centimetres. And then what I've done is I've got a layer here of this paper, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's sort of multicoloured. It's got like Tranquil Tide in there. It's got a bit of lemon lime twist. Maybe some Calypso Coral. I think this is maybe Calypso Coral. I think I haven't used the wrong colour. It's got white, all sorts in there. And that measures 5 3/4 by 3.5 inches. So that's 14.6 by 8.9. And this card is going to be a landscape card. So it's going to go at the top end of there. Okay, and then I've chosen this design with the flower and the this might be soft sea foam actually, this green. I think this is Tranquil Tide, and that's going to go over the top of there, but behind that I'm just going to stick a little white strip. So this measures 2 1/4 by 3 3/4, so that's 5.7 centimetres by 9.5. And then this strip is just 1 inch by 5 3/4, so that's 2.5 centimetres by 14.6 centimetres. And that's just going to sit behind just to give this strip across the middle. And then I've just done the sentiment. I've done it in the wrong colour actually, haven't I? Yeah, that's it. That's so much better. I'm not going to throw that one away. I'll use it on a different project. So that's all going to be stuck together. Okay, so these are very, very, like I said, very simple cards. I wonder if I've got enough snail just to use on this one. That is the card done. So thanks for joining me for that. Tomorrow I'm just going to do a little quick sort of roundup of all 7 of the cards that I've made in this series. So it'd be nice to sort of join me for that if you want to, and I'm going to just go through them all very, very quickly. So there's a beautiful card there. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.